Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. So today we are going to discuss a topic on how to predict the demotivation, okay, which is most important for your UPSC preliminary, mains as well as interview examinations. Not only UPSC, even it is used for your entire life. Okay, how to not get demotivated, okay, because in many of us human beings, what happens if something goes wrong? First of all, we'll get demotivation. Later on it will get into the depression, frustration, etc. Okay, so we'll see the developments and stages regarding that. So without getting late, we'll start from now, right? So here, by the end of this lecture, you'll understand these things. That is why we get demotivated, first of all. Second is reasons for the demotivation. Third one is how to overcome it. Okay friends, so the title is how to predict the demotivation. So yeah, let's begin this. What is the motivation cycle? First of all, how we get motivated, how a human being will get motivated. For that, first of all, he needs the certain things for why he need to do that work. Without being a reason, human being will not do any work with full-heartedly. Okay, so first of all, he need the thing, okay, why we are doing, why I want to do. Okay, before knowing that, he won't do that, and after knowing that, what he will do, he'll try to set a goals. Okay, let me do this. So for doing this, he will create an behavior. He won't create, but human nature will create that behavior. Okay, in this process, he will try to achieve these goals, and it will satisfy his needs. Okay, so finally, this is the motivation cycle. What is the motivation cycle? That is needs, goals, and it will be satisfied the behavior. It will satisfy the needs. So need is the means how to process the goals, how to achieve the goals. Okay, so we will see further. Now this is the cycle of demotivation. So first of all, how we start, from where we are starting the demotivation. For example, think that you have done 100% work for today. Okay, 100% work for today, and tomorrow, due to some reasons, you have done only 20% work. Okay friends, 20% work. It is good. You will feel good for 1 to 2 days. Okay, you will feel 1 to 2 days, hardly say etc. Approx 10 days. Okay, but later on after 11th day, what you will feel here? Okay, you will feel little bit reduced activity. Okay, you will feel discomfort by your activities, not doing proper activities, so you won't be satisfied with that. Okay, so here your first stage will come, that is a reduced activity. Then it will leads to demotivation. Okay, then introspective thinking, negative introspective thinking will start in your mind. So what is negative introspective means? Talking inward negatively. Okay, yeah, I am not able to do any certain things, I am not fulfilling my accomplished commitments. Okay, I am not fulfilling my statements. So it will defined as negative introspective thinking. Okay, then you will feel worthless. Okay, you will feel no, as compared to others, as compared to this person, as compared to that person, then the comparison will start. Okay, so it is called as negative thinking. Then will finally goes to the stage of depression. So this is the cycle of the demotivation. Okay, next we see further what's next stage. See, before going into deeper analysis or discussion, I'd like to quote one thing here. Give time yourself during a day, once in a day, or else you are going to miss a great talent person in the world. Okay, this statement was quoted by, given by Vivekananda, Swami Vivekananda ji. So you can even work on this. So for this, and it is not the statement, but I can say it is a really worthful. Okay, so we'll see further. So these are the signs to how to detect the demotivation, how we are going to detect the demotivation. So I have collected some points, okay, how to detect the demotivation, what are the signs for that. So first sign is working without the purpose. Okay friends, working without any purpose, you don't have any purpose, you are just doing a physical labor work. Okay, so going to labor work is not worthful as going to the genius work. Genius work is done by your passion, by your passionate things. Okay, so purpose is the most important element in your journey. What is a purpose? If you are competing in the business field, or if you are competing in the royal field, or if you are competing in the social field, or if you are competing in the any examinations, take it at any stage. Okay, it's not a particular stage, but you can think it at any sector. Okay, I want to compete in these sectors, it will fulfill your all the requirements. So first of all, you need a purpose. What is a purpose? Okay, so without going that, it's useful. Okay, so second point is lack of motivation stems from the fear. So failure is not the big thing. Okay, because see, when a cricket team is playing, okay, when a cricket match is going on, there will be two teams in that. One team is going to win, the other is going to lose the match. Okay, so here ultimately the one team will get prepared to lose. Okay, it does not mean that team will not play once again in their entire life, isn't it? So in the same situation, similarly, what you think, fear isn't just an opportunity, you can learn from the experience. Rather than quitting out, you should just go further. Okay, so this is the motivation from the stem of the fear. So you should get motivated from your fears. Okay, so this is the second point, I hope you understood. Third point is doing things for wrong reasons. Okay, doing things for wrong reasons, it means you are doing in a positive way, but your intention is wrong behind that, isn't? Okay, so the meaning is, for example, you are preparing for UPSC examinations and you are thinking that I'll get much reputed in this society, I'll get much more economic background, I'll get much more reputed friend circle, okay, etc etc. So this is the most wrongdoing things, wrong reasons. Okay, so if not that thing, you can think any other things like social life. If you are being happy with your social partner, that is life partner, you may think that yes, I'll be very friendly with her during outsides. Okay, when you are going out, when you are going in public, you will be very friendly with her, and after coming in, I mean in the house, you will be very strange with her. So it is not good thing. So here your intention is totally different, because you are thinking that you are good with her only during the outsides, and even she knows that, but she doesn't have any other opportunities, or she may take some sort of advantages or disadvantages during that. So you should not take such sort of things, such sort of steps. Okay, we see further, you are too much overwhelmed. So what does it means? Let me explain this. That is, your goals are too much big. Okay, but what the decision is, you are targeting too much high. Even though, that is, UPSC will have certain subjects to read, but it is not fair to read the entire subjects in one day, because it will not only tire you, and it is most probably, according to my knowledge, it is impossible to read each and every book throughout the day. Okay, I mean in the entire day. So which is wrong step, which UPSC students should not do such kind of things, because most probably they will feel enthusiastic and they'll take all the books and materials and keep aside, and they're just going on reading, and by the end of the day they'll get to know that they have not finished even the half of the targets. So by that they'll start again the demotivating. Okay, that is reduced activity. Actually in presence they get much more activity, but according to their target and according to their mindset, the activity has been reduced. Here the demotivation will start once again. Okay, so we see further. You may be dealing with symptoms of mental illness. So mental illness, mental presence, mental positiveness, mental gesture is most important than any other things, I feel that. Okay, why it is most important? If your mental presence is very much high, your mental illness is zero. Okay, your mental attitude is very improvement. Okay, so then no one can stop you in this world. Okay, so mental illness is somewhat deteriorating your success. How it is? Let me give an example for this. For example, you are going to attend an exam after a month. Okay, suddenly what you feel that you are worthless, you are not fit for this life, because you are compared with some other things, or else your mom or dad or your family members or your friends, they'll taunt you some at the point. Then you'll feel that yes, yeah, they said it's correct, so you should not feel in that way. Okay, so next we'll see further. Here you may be dealing with symptoms of mental illness. Yeah, this point is repeated here. Okay, so let's go further. Your goals are too big, so you should divide that goals into small targets. Okay, then only you can achieve that, or else if you can't get a big goal overnight, isn't it, or over the years, because some goals has certain capacity, their achievements is little bit need some sort of sacrifices. They needs whole night fights, whole night sacrifices. Okay, so we should think about it. Okay, you should the big goals will not achieve in that way, I mean only in just few years, so it needs lots kind of sacrifices. I hope you understand regarding this. So next point, you are engaging in self-sabotage. So self-sabotage is most important, but it has some sort of optimization. You should not go beyond the levels. Okay, if you go beyond the levels, the society will sabotage to you. Okay, so to eradicate that stage, you should use this self-sabotage till your optimization level. After that you should indulge in the society as well, then only you can deal with these things. Okay, next we'll see. You believe you should have accomplished more by now. This is a comparison thing, and most of the young adults will do this kind of things. Okay, what they do, yeah, mine age is 25, or mine age is 21, or else think out of any number, those who are not settled. Okay, or even those who are settled, what they think, till now by the age of 19 she owned that, till now by the age of 23 he owned that, at the age of 30 he succeeded in that field, but what I am. So this comparison is very much important, but you should not go beyond the levels, because he has circumstances, he has certain different ambience, so you should think about it also, because every ambience is not the same purpose, same outputs. Okay, so different ambience gives you a different output. So you first of all you should create an ambience, then you'll go forward, then you should go forward. If you think that when there is no chance to develop an ambience, then we can't go further, no, it's impossible to say like that, because the same goals can be achieved in different parts. Like for example, there is only one God in this world, but there are multiple means to reach him, like Muslim religion, Hindu religion, Christian religion, Zoroastrians, Parsisms. Okay, but here who are we? That is human being. Okay, human being, we want to reach God. Okay, God, but we are going to him through the different means, that is Muslim religion, Hindu religion, Christian religion, Zoroastrians and Parsis. Okay, So but what the ultimate goal, that is to reach the God. Okay friends, so even here also the same thing, we can reach our goals by different means. So you should find the different means. What are the means which is present to you, which is very near to you? Okay, first of all you should find that. Okay friends, so let us move further. You have a habit of doing nothing. Okay, you have a habit of doing nothing. So in this scenario, many of the things will come forward, because when he is not doing, the opportunities are very much high, because the lying fruits will remain stagnant. He won't use such kind of fruits which he is offered by the low hanging fruits. But immediately as soon as he use those fruits, he'll feel disappearance of the opportunities. So is it positive or negative? This is positive, because whenever he tries to utilize those low lying fruits, then he'll develop his mental attitude, physical attitude in each and every aspect. So after that he will try to achieve the higher goals. That means low lying fruits will already he has, but he used that. Okay, he knows the journey of that low lying fruits, so now he wants to achieve the higher goals. So this is the reason, this is the meaning of this. So you should start from zero levels. This will give a better success to you. Okay, so next we'll see, you are settling and refusing to push yourself, your limits. So the thing is, talking more but doing less. Okay, here the 10th statement states that you have set the target. I want to become a big businessman like an Ambani. Okay, but what you are doing, you are not doing a proper healthy habitations regarding that. So what kind of habits you are doing? You are just sleeping around 12 to 14 hours. Next, you are not eating proper food, not even doing any sort of workouts, not even brainstorming what kind of steps should take to get into that field. Okay, so these are the reasons why you get deteriorated. Okay, so in brainstorm cells, some motivations. Okay, here first of all it develops, first of all, to get performed, you'll feel little attitude. Okay, you need some sort of goals. So to set goals, you need to start a performance, isn't it? First of all, you'll start with the performance. Yes, from today I'll do this brainstorming, I'll go to jogging, I'll do gyms, I'll take a proper diet. So this is a performance. Okay, so the second step is attitude. So here attitude, it has positive and negative sense. One is positive attitude, the second one is negative attitude. Okay, whatever you are doing by your own for yourself, it is known as, it will categorized as a positive attitude. And the other sense, those who thinks the opposite to you, okay, he has developed some kind of attitude, so it will go into the negative attitude. So you should not feel about the negative or positive attitude, just go with your performance, and which leads to a great ideas. Okay, 1 hour after day, you will come with some sort of ideas. Yes, I have done with this, so I need some sort of, so you'll come with great ideas. So these ideas will support by many other people, so you'll get support from the many other peoples. Okay, so finally you'll get the success, so which is your final target, that is goals. Okay, so this is a small student motivation quotes, stages, so you can refer this as well. Okay friends, so beyond this is taken from National Research Council. Okay, this image is taken from the National Research Council, which is most meaningful image pick, that is learning, remembering and believing in yourself. learning is a day-to-day process, remembering is also day-to-day process, and believing yourself is also a day-to-day process. So which is most important for your success journey. Okay friends, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe for Acquire IAS. Thank you very much. Have a great day.